Create a 10 minutes video for YouTube about AI tools that will make you rich in 2025. Work smarter, not harder. Intro. 000 to 045. Hey everyone, welcome back to Staro Technology, where we uncover smart ways to use tech to change your life. Today I'm revealing AI tools that can make you real money in 2025. Not just hype, but tools that people are already using to build income, automate work, and grow online. Make sure you watch till the end because the last one is a secret weapon that even most tech YouTubers don't know about. Part 1, Content Creation AI ChatGPT, GPT-5, Text and Idea Generator. This is still the king of productivity. You can use it to write YouTube scripts, create product descriptions, generate business ideas, even write ebooks to sell on Amazon. Example, a freelancer on Fiverr earns $200 per week, writing scripts using ChatGPT. Pictory. HeyGen, AI video creation. These tools help you make videos without showing your face. You just paste your script, choose an AI voice, and boom, full professional video ready. Perfect for YouTubers, TikTokers, or educators who want passive income. Part 2, Business Automation. AI 3, Notion AI and ClickUp AI. Use them to automate daily business tasks. Writing emails, tracking clients, planning projects, all hands-free. Example, digital marketers use these to manage 10+ clients without stress. 4. Durable AI, AI website builder. With just one sentence, Durable builds a full business website with copy, images, and SEO in less than 60 seconds. You can create websites for clients and charge $50–200 each, all made by AI. Part 3, Financial and Investment AI 5, Relevance AI, FinChat. These are AI-powered tools that analyze crypto and stock data in real time. They help you understand trends before they blow up. Smarter investing without deep financial knowledge. 6. Perplexity AI, AI search engine. Think of it as Google with a brain. It summarizes news, compares sources, and even explains crypto projects clearly, saving you hours every day. Part 4. Secret weapon. Number 7. Opus Clip, an AI shorts generator. If you're a YouTuber, this is gold. You upload a long video, and it automatically finds the best viral moments, adds captions, and gives you short clips for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. This means more reach, more audience, and more money from one video. That's it for today, friends. These tools are your digital assistants. They don't just save time, they open new income streams. If you start using even 2 or 3 of them consistently, you can build serious online income in 2025. Comment below, which AI tool are you excited to try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and follow us on TikTok at Staro Technology for more quick tips.